comes to be the soothing light at the end of your tunnel. It's just a freight train coming away. Then it comes to be the soothing light at the end of your tunnel. It's just a freight train coming away. Don't it feel right like this? All the pieces fall to his wish. Sucker for that quick reward, boy. Sucker for that quick reward, they say. When it comes to be the soothing light at the end of your tunnel, there's just a freight train coming away. Then it comes to be the soothing
Their butts hit like they haven't been hit this year.
Guys, I've never been prouder of a bunch of guys in my life. I've been coaching a few years, and I'm proud of you guys. I want you to go out and be great. Make that great play.
Right now, over in their locker room, every one of those players, they've got something to eat in the back of their head. Okay? It's doubt. You want to know why? Because if you remember what we did at their house last year, is we beat the pants off of them. They haven't played an opponent like us yet, and they know it. And there's doubt eating in the back of their head. That's why we've got to go out. The very first play, we got to attack and knock it down as far as we can every time to make that doubt grow and grow and grow. All right? Because we've got some great players, and we're going to win. And there's no longer is it the munchies, because now we're hungry and we want a big steak of victory.
We are the greatest. Look forward to God's faith in every moment of play. If we lose, we will not grieve. When we win, we've done a good deed. Win or lose, all praise go to God. Allowing us to take part in this game.
It's all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. And now you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Does anybody really know the secret? Or the combination for this life and where they keep it? It's kinda sad when you don't know the meaning, but everything happens for a reason. I don't even know what I should say, 'cause I'm an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. I analyze every second I exist, beating up my mind every second with my fists. And everybody wanna run, everybody wanna hide from the gun. You can take a ride through this life if you want, but you can't take the edge off the knife. No, sir. And now you want your money back, but you're denied, 'cause your brain's fried from the sack. And there ain't nothing I can do, 'cause life is a lesson, you'll learn it when you're through. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Now you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately.
Focus game tonight was up in Polk County. The Bolivar Liberators against the undefeated and state-ranked Rogersville Wildcats. This promised to be Rogersville's sternest test to date. Joe Hickman joins us live from Polk County. Okay, Joe, what happened?
I tell you what, we had a granddaddy of a game here tonight. It was so good, I think I'm even sweating. It was so close all the way through. Of course, we talked tonight at 6 o'clock about the fact that Bolivar, even though they were 3-3, felt pretty good about this game. Rogersville unbeaten at 6-0, ranked third in the state in Class 3A, but the Wildcats had not played that tough a schedule while Bolivar had, and even the Rogersville officials admitted, hey, we're a little worried about this game. Rogersville had been the Cinderella story of the season, but tonight, the clock struck midnight.
Come on, fellas! 1, 2, 3, go!
The Bolivar Liberators had played a tougher schedule, but Rogersville Wildcat fans could toot their own horn about being undefeated. And when running back Matt Plaster, the area's leading rusher with over 1,000 yards, scored from 33 yards out here midway in the second quarter, Rogersville had a 6-0 lead after missing the extra point. 2 minutes later, the Liberators got a break.
Let's get that ball, baby!
Which they did on a blocked punt. Bolivar recovered and took the ball down to the Rogersville 1-yard line, where it took Andy Potter only one play to plow over to tie the game up at 6 at the half, as the Liberators also missed their extra point. Another Rogersville punt miscue cost the Wildcats in the third quarter, as a fumble snap and desperation pass that was stopped short of a first down left Bolivar with just 21 yards to go for the go-ahead touchdown. And Jordan Paynes, quarterback keeper, put the Liberators ahead 12-6 after yet another missed extra point. But it wasn't over yet. Behind the running of Plaster, Rogersville went 65 yards, capping the 13-play drive with under 46 seconds left in regulation when Plaster went over from 3 yards out to tie the game at 12. The game-winning extra point was, of course, no good. Blocked, and the game went to overtime. There, Rogersville got the ball first, but their fourth down pass fell incomplete. Then it was Bolivar's turn, and from 9 yards out, Aaron Clark decided the game. 18-12, Bolivar handing Rogersville its first loss of the season in overtime. Bolivar head coach Fred Bouchard.
It was a fun game to be a part of, and we're fortunate to come out on top, but you know what, we could play 10 times, and that's just an evenly matched contest.
Nat, it was a fantastic game, an overtime thriller. Bolivar coming out on top in the first OT, 18-12. And the good or bad news, depending on how you're looking at it, these two teams could very well meet again in the playoffs, the first round, as a matter of fact, because Rogersville in Class 3A District 9, Bolivar in Class 3A District 10, and the winner of those two districts meet in the first round. We could see this all one more time.
The Wildcats, of course, have to be a little bit down. They have a terrific team, and perhaps a silver lining, because it could wake them up now for district play coming up. Matter of fact, both teams go into
gets in. I got that hit, y'all. Got that hit, y'all. Yo, crack man in the matter of the game. They done had they run, now it's time for change. When we step in the club, done tuck your chain. Got the mink on, same color the range. Pour liquor for my homie that's gone. Big pun, then we party like we just came home. Forget a chick if she act too grown. I don't need that stress. I got my wife at home. Words slurring, eyes blurring. Drunk off a Henny and the keep burning. Dancing with Shorty and a friend keep flirting. I don't always crush too, but tonight seems certain. Party hard like all y'all. Bottles in the air like we stuck up the bar. Terror squad, man, you know who we are. Cruise through your block in them drop top belly is ours. Come on.
We thuggin', rolling on dubs and off up in the club, wildin' like bud. Got Chris on pop, hitting with no chase, tomorrow we gon' stop. Throwing up 6 o'clock, cause I got both my knees in the drop. And my man Joe snaps the keys to the spot, and it's full of honeys, panties with no top. So we take a pump.
Everybody wanna know where the crib's at. Just now getting nice, so we did that. Mommy staring at me like she wanna get kidnapped. Money looking happy with his wife, but we trans that along with Lisa, Aisha, Shonda, Renee. Even ran through the doors down in Morgan State. In Miami, pool party off the chain. Getting in the water on Memorial Day. Grab mommy, all coolin'. It's your birthday, show me what I'm fooling with. Like, no doubt, poke it all out. Pull your G-string down south. Ow. Pass that, give Shorty a shot. Soon enough we gon' see if she naughty or not. I'm on E, feeling ready and hot. I get them 20 a pop. You wanna roll, leave the panties atop.
Yeah, we thuggin', rolling on